Hello everyone! Welcome dear friends to this channel. In this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can reset Face ID on iPhone. Before starting the video, be sure friends subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to put your like. Also please write your comments. So, let us get started. In order for you to be able to do this, you will need to on your iPhone find and open the Settings app. Now the next thing you'll need to do is scroll down. Find the Face ID and Password section. Then enter the password that you have active on your iPhone. And scroll down a little bit. Now please click on Delete Face ID or Reset. Once you've done that, you'll need to log out or log back in after a while. In order to reconfigure Face ID, you'll see, folks, right here under this section, you'll see that you'll have an option to connect or customize Face ID. You'll need to select that part. And then you'll see that you'll get a little window with the front camera. And you'll need to follow the instructions. Namely, on this window, scroll your face in such a way that it is completely fixed in the front camera, and do this until your iPhone tells you that you have already reconfigured your Face ID. Dear, here is the way you can reset Face ID on iPhone. I hope you found the video useful. Don't forget, please like, subscribe to the channel, and also write comments. Take care.